Hello and welcome to Behind the Wheel with Modumo, aka Malume's Teaser. Yeah, on this video we take a look at Mr. How Much and the cars he has bought since he started an automobile YouTube channel. For those who don't know who am I talking about, well, Walala Wasala, but let me tell you about him. Mr. How Much is a popular South African motoring YouTuber, or let me say content creator and aircraft engineer, whose real name is Bongani. The bongs barabongs that is a name is Amelia Secha Ingi but let's go Korea. Hadis. He's known for his YouTube channel where he reviews cars and explain their prices in a relatable way. Yeah, Lanzara Musne. Stellenbosch. So I went to his channel and checked the cars he has bought since he became popular on social media. The first car that he introduced to us was a Polo 1.6 on the street. We call it a Polo Bourgeois. Le Bourgeois. According to Bongani, he bought the Bourgeois at We Buy Cars at the price tag of 58,000 rand. Then Daitransi, he later named the car Janos. The second car that he bought after the Lodina Melanyana was a white Polo GTI. The GTI was named Boiti. Boiti had a price tag of 489,000 rands. When he reached 100,000 subscribers, Mr. How Much bought himself a Golf 7.5 GTI TCR. When he bought it, he didn't have a name for it, so he suggested that his followers give him one. On the video, he did not reveal how much he bought the car, but according to our information, the TCR is a Mayabuma 692,000 to 650.
Listen to this.
The fourth vehicle that he bought was a Hyundai i30N. On the video, he did not reveal how much he coughed out. We made our research ourselves and found out that the car cost from 600,000 to 650,000 rands, depending on the extra stage you want. Now, recently, Bossiarun bought himself Le Pava, a BMW M240i. I don't know more about the even before I call it. Bon, I really got auto trader and found out that the car get close to 1 meter, 1 million.